Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to compare fuel prices on the FuelCheck application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Trends button down below on the left side corner of the screen. After that, you should select the fuel type at the top of the screen. Tap on Apply. Here you can see the prices on this chart. However, if you would like to compare more prices, tap on the See More button on the right side in the middle. And after that, you should select fuel prices. As you can see, you can select more than two, so you can compare as many as you would like to. And here you can see a chart, and at the top you can set whether you would like to see a weekly, monthly or yearly comparison. So tap on the relevant one and you will be able to see the prices compared to each other, demonstrated by this chart in the middle of the screen marked with different colors. So here if you tap on relevant points, you can check them out. You can check out the date and the exact price as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.